protecting your eyes when you're using machinery such as grinders and cutters is absolutely imperative. We must make sure we do this. And there's lots of different things you can use, or a mixture of them. So to start with, there's more basic safety specs. This is a clear one, and you can also get them which are tinted as well. These are pretty good. They wrap around the eyes and they protect your eye fairly well. And there's lots of other versions of the glasses type ones you can get. Having something a little bit more, this one here has actually got a rubber seal around the outside, so it does seal onto your face. So you're not going to get any problems with things hitting into your eyes this way, but also it protects it this way, so you're not going to get dirt. So if you do get dust and dirt landing on top, nothing can get into your eyes. With those, just make sure that you don't get them fogging up, because sometimes they can fog up fairly easily. Taking this on a little bit further, you can look at a full face shield. So this is a basic full face shield, very good coverage, fits on the head. You've got a little ratchet on the back here where you can adjust the size of it, make sure it fits properly when you're using it. And with this one, you can lift it up out of the way and pop it down when you need to. Another version of that is this. This is slightly different. It does go down, it's a better locking system, and the way it's shaped is much better to fit onto the face, particularly underneath here. This one's also got ear defenders on as well, which are good for protecting sound, because you're using these with ear defenders. It's quite, sometimes they're not very comfortable, but also the ear defenders are brilliant at helping hold the mask in place, so it really doesn't move when you're using it. You can also use these with these, so it's a good idea sometimes to put the goggles on as well, so you've got a second layer of protection. So yes, you're protected here, but you've also got the goggles on as well. You can also go on to this type of thing, which is a full face mask. It's got respirator built into it, so this will be good for the respiration side and also the protection of your eyes as well. So that gives you complete protection. With all of these products, you need to make sure that they are good for the job you're doing. If you're grinding or cutting metal or concrete, things like that, you need to look at what the risks are and what face shield protection you need. It may not be just lumps hitting your eyes. You may be looking at dust that you're breathing in. It may be fumes that are being given off, or all sorts of different things. But also make sure that the glass or the plastic in these is rated to what's right for the job you're doing, because it may well be that you're dealing with something slightly different. These are just absolutely useless. So it's up to you to make sure that you use the correct face shield or goggles for the job you're doing.